I can't make the payment now.
I understand you'd like some time, but we need a specific date to process the payment.
Hey guys, I'm Ronit, and in this video we'll take a look at how you can use AI voice agents to automate certain business processes. So right now I'm at smallest.ai's website. Let's go ahead and open up Atoms. Now after you log in, this page will open up. As you can see, I already have quite a few agents here right now. But for this video, I'm going to select the debt collection agent, useful for banks and NBFCs. Let's go ahead and open our script. Alright, so this is what the script looks like. I'm going to leave a template of this script in the description below. So don't forget to check that out. You can upload that script onto your own Atoms page and then edit it accordingly. Yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look at the script. I'll share you a few tips along the way and then we'll do a test call. Alright, so even before the script starts, I've got this pre-API call node, which basically sifts through the backend and figures out whether there's a customer which has a payment due. So I've given a post request and asked for the first name and the amount due. And with the help of the pre-API call, the agent figures out who it has to call. So it goes ahead and calls, asks whether they're talking to so-and-so. And as you can see, I have inserted the first name under two sets of curly brackets. That means that whatever name it has gotten from the pre-API call, it will use that to address the user. Okay, and the user confirms and it asks when you're going to make the payment. It also mentions the amount they're due, which again I got from the pre-call API. And depending on whether the user agrees to provide a commitment date for the payment or does not, it goes into these separate branches. And if they don't, they obviously explain the negative consequences and still try to get a commitment date. If they do, back to the end call positive. Otherwise, it mentions that it might have to take some sort of action, whether it's legal or whatever, and it cuts the call. Now you'll notice there are two more nodes after the end call. These are post-call APIs, which basically goes back to the backend and updates the information. So if the user is not able to provide a date, it goes ahead and gives the due status as due. Depending on how your backend or your CRM works, you can format this accordingly. And likewise, if the user commits to a date to make the payment, I've made this post-call API to update the information about the customer. Okay, I think we're ready to do a test call. I'll just input my number.
Am I speaking to Rohan?
Yes, speaking.
Hi, this is Hannah from Recovery Solutions. I am calling regarding the 2 lakhs payment that's due.
Oh, I don't. Can you wait for like 2 months? I can't make the payment now.
I understand you'd like some time, but we need a specific date to process the payment. Could you commit to a specific date within the next 2 months?
Someday in July, maybe.
I want to help you resolve this matter, but I need to be clear about the consequences. If this payment isn't made, unpaid amounts can negatively affect your credit score and may lead to legal action. Given these circumstances,
no, I understand that.
Let me know.
I understand.
When you can settle this amount. Hello?
Hello.
Are you still there? Hello? Are you still there?
Hello? Hello?
I understand this is a difficult conversation. To ensure we can find a solution, could you please commit to a specific date when you will be able to clear this amount?
Can we do it around 15th of July?
Thank you for committing to July 15th. To avoid additional fees, please make sure to settle this amount by then. If you need any help or have questions, our team is here to support you.
Now you're almost ready to deploy your agent. So let me go back and show you a few things you need to do. Go back to agents. First, you'll have to set up a phone number. Then you'll have to add an audience list, which is basically a contact list that you'll provide your agent. Or you can just connect it to your backend through that pre-API call. Then if you have any policies regarding your due settlements or payment terms, you can add documents and PDFs about that through the knowledge base. And once you've done that, you can finally go on to campaigns. Now I know I'm skipping over a lot of things. You must be wondering how to do this. I'm going to leave a tutorial to each and every one of these items in the description below. So do go ahead and check that out. Yeah, so once you've done all of those steps, you go ahead, create a new campaign, give it a name, select an audience, select an agent. You'll select the debt collection agent for this case, and then you can create a campaign and your agent will start calling all these numbers. So that's how you deploy an AI agent, in this case for debt collection. And I hope you liked that video. If you found value in it, do hit the like button. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I've been Ronit, and I'll see you in the next video.